Anyways, hello lads and ladies, my name is Jeff,
What
and
the
I'm
hell
God.
was that notification title?
It's welcome in binary. Am I the only one who thinks that's cool? Also, hello lads and ladies, my name is Jeff, and I'm a God Barista, and welcome to my new stream video whenever you're watching this. And yeah, welcome to me trying to fix this very strange game that I made.
It's cool.
No, but letters in binary. I know how it's translated, so I can technically tell you the entire alphabet from A to Z in binary, but I can't actually tell you this. I couldn't tell you what is a W or something.
Lettuce.
Letters. But yeah, letters in binary. Yeah, I didn't even know there was a letters in binary band. Like, what the hell? I had a. I don't know where that is. Ah, yeah, I just. But yeah, pretty much here. The list that I use is a little bit different, was a little bit more elongated, if you want to say it like that. But yeah, you have here. It starts with a big W. It's 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. And it continues with E, and all the small numbers, like technically when you say the alphabet in binary, you're just counting from binary 1 to binary 26. So to solidify that these are actually letters, we have differentiating values between smaller and bigger numbers. The big numbers are 0 1 0 1 0. The small numbers are 0 1 1. So because we continue with an E, because it's welcome, it's 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. I'm a nerd, leave me alone. And obviously continue with an L, which is 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. And that's enough nerding around for today. God. Also, I'm probably gonna add the game capture in general as its own source. As its own volume source. You know, because there's a song that I really can't get out of my head. And it's a little depressing. I would have given it a damn. It sounds good. Also, how has your day been, Diamond? Have the stretches helped a little? I have to fix that somehow here. I fell for the wrong one, baby. Well, war zone, baby. So here we go again. It's me versus Hmm. For you so long you are. I fell for the wrong one, baby. Just another stupid mistake. What was on, baby? I can't even focus. Oh, you are. See you again. Foolish could I've been. I fell for the wrong one, baby. Then don't. I wanted. Oh yeah, wait. I have a perfect song actually to go to do to the first perfect thing to do. We just go with a Hey so. Hey, Haste has some incredibly cool songs. Step bad, good. And obviously we start with one of the best ones. Nope. Where's my favorite? Come on. Am I really too dumb to find that now? Alarm by close the edge or was beginning of the day was stream hunting with clues, industry, let it fly, glacial expanse. Chasing the cat. Best one. But I'm gonna make it a little bit less loud. Okay. Good. What we can do? We have to change this somehow. I don't think I need to have them start as clones at all. No, that's wrong. I definitely need the clones. Change Y by platform movement. Do I have to change platform movement? And I need to make something that forces them to be a certain distance to each other. Question is, how do I do this? Problem is, I have a background that has a lot of different types of greens, which is not good. I think I have to change that. Forest field at MIT. No. I think that actually would work. Then I make the leaves a different green tone than that one. It shouldn't be too hard. And technically I just have to make it a little bit teal, as people like to say. Okay, good. Now we do when. Yes, good. I need that one. And touching color. Wait, I have to make you visible for that. Nice. When touching color. Just if touching color. Change Y. Manic destruction. Hello, Ossian. How? Okay. Cool. Hmm. 64. Wanna try again? Okay, you know what? We can. Sure. I could do one of those. Let me experiment a little bit. No, not something like this. I don't need something like this. Distance to leave. If hops equals 50. Go to Hmm. 248. Minus 248 to plus 248. 180. It is 180, right? Yeah, set right to 180. Oh, how did I do this in the other one? Anyway, Ocean, how are you doing? How's it been? X.
I'm good but cold.
50? But how? But why? Ooh, nice. You're getting up there again. And change. No. Gonna change this thing specifically. Duplicate. Platform movement. And go to change web platform movement, and I have no idea if this will work, because it would be very interesting if that would work. I need that thing, that's for sure. Else hide. Forever. So I have no idea if any of this will actually work. I'm just leaving that here for the sake of it technically being in the need of being here. Okay. I still need to make him jump higher than the platform movement, because I hate that so much. You can't how do I catch up? You can't catch up. That's the issue that I have. So fine ascending. Change gravity by -1. Descending. I think I have to change that here. Oh, change Y by 10 extra. Y by 20. Where's the off button? I have a off. I had an off button. Change Y by platform movement. Set hops to 50. That's the issue. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, okay, I get it. That x to this and set y to 180. Good. You still don't do the thing that I want you to, which is very annoying. No, you're not doing the thing that I want you to. Change Y by platform movement. Oh, yeah, of course. You're still not doing the thing that I want you to. Why are you skidding around over there? That doesn't make any sense. Super jump position. Let's see, but it still doesn't work. And it still doesn't work. Huh. Do I really have to use this clone strategy? Because I really don't want to. I want to use a different method here. Pete. I mean, who knows?
CheapViewerStream.com remove the space LHPFHUKQ.
Fuck you. Mm-hmm. 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 Doesn't work. Repeat. Wait until this. Do show. by and then height. The clone could clone myself, blah blah. Why does none of that work? Yeah, they never show here, so. What? Did I fix the issue? Okay. If touching change my
Frage. Hast du eigentlich noch das Klopapier von Rechnung vom Vermieter? Hast du eigentlich noch das Klopapier von Rechnung vom Vermieter?
Weiß ich nicht mehr. Ich weiß nicht, wo das ist.
Weil wäre vielleicht geil gewesen, wenn wir das so dann vorlegen. So was denkt der, wäre geil. Aber Mails wären praktisch. Naja, können wir später reden.
Change Y by... I need that one. X equals minus 100 to X equals 100. Does that make more sense? Nah, let's go back. Wait, is that... This is a dumb fucking idea anyways. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. And also to see, it does work a lot better. My platforms finally have some decent distance no matter what I'm doing. Wonder where I added the termination button. Because apparently I didn't. Like, why? Yeah, get a load of this thing. Vents. Stop it. When X keyboard is pressed. Event broadcast, game over. Ooh. Yes, I'm stress testing bit durability. I meant to say fail. Oh, nice. It works so good. Oh, fuck, it works so good. I'm a genius, but you already knew that. Ey. Ich habe so ein richtig nerviges Problem gehabt, dass wenn ich diesen Hyperjump einbauen wollte, diesen Jump Boost einbauen wollte, dass sich dann irgendwann all die Plattformen, auf denen du von denen du abspringst, sich dann dort zusammensmuschen. Weil das quasi nicht hinterherkommt mit dem Dings. Und der Failsafe war dafür ein bisschen kacke zum Einbauen, weil ich den Hintergrund dafür ändern musste. Aber er hat funktioniert! Also ist mir egal.
Der Failsafe ist?
Der Failsafe ist, dass ich habe die Leaves, also die Plattform, habe ich quasi einen bestimmten grünen Ton gegeben, der so türkisartig ist. Und habe extra einen Hintergrund ausgewählt, welcher nicht unmöglich diese Farbe drin hat. Und dadurch, dass eben nur dieses Leaf quasi diese Farbe hat, habe ich gemacht, if touching, also diese Farbe, also eigentlich wenn er sich quasi selber berührt, dann soll er seine Y-Position auf entweder zwischen minus oder plus 100 wechseln. Und dadurch habe ich jetzt halt richtig schön, ungewöhnlich gleichmäßig verteilte Plattformen. Auch manche davon natürlich relativ nah aneinander, weil es halt eine Zahl zwischen minus 100 und plus 100 ist. Aber die sind alle nah genug dran, dass du jumpen kannst.
Ja, das ist wie Minecraft Creeper, eigentlich ein Bug, aber dann...
Oh, ich liebe es. Da, 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 da.
Nein, ich sing das nicht, ich krieg nur Hunger.
Und vor allem, ich habe den Facesafe mal ganz kurz versucht umzuschreiben, wodurch er halt nicht funktioniert hat. Dann habe ich wieder den Jumpboot ausprobiert und sofort gemerkt, was für einen Scheiß-Unterschied das macht.
Ja.
Oh, I love it so much. Hey, es ist satisfying, okay?
Hey. Nur gerade etwas.
Ah, Gott, ich will halt, brauche halt noch,
Deswegen.
ich will halt noch eine gescheite Situation für den Jump Boost reinmachen, weil ich will halt nicht, dass er immer aufkreuzt. Aber so wie er jetzt gerade eben ist, dass er halt einfach nur einmal da ist, macht eigentlich Sinn.
Du machst einfach random Zahl zwischen
Habe ich schon versucht.
und
Ich habe versucht ihm, das habe ich auch schon versucht. Das habe ich, Dings. Stimmt eigentlich, wenn ich eine random Zahl mache, dass er als
du sagst zum
Spawn-Variante.
Beispiel random Zahl von 1 bis x und wenn die Zahl 1 ist, dann ist es sozusagen, dann kommt einer, weil dann kannst du x je nachdem legen, wie hoch du die Wahrscheinlichkeit oder wie niedrig du die Wahrscheinlichkeit haben willst. Wenn du eine Zahl von 1 bis 1 hast, dann ist es immer. Wenn du eine Zahl von 1 bis 100 hast, dann ist es eine 1% Chance.
Du meinst, dass ich einfach einen Randomize-Encounter im Hintergrund laufen lasse, der dann den triggert? Weil ich wollte eigentlich das halt so machen, dass er halt so alle 50 Sprünge so aufkreuzt, weißt? Aber das hat auch nicht funktioniert. Deswegen weiß ich nicht, ob das mit den Random Numbers überhaupt funktionieren würde. Aber wenn ich jetzt eine extra Sache mache, dann macht es mehr Sinn. Okay. Aber du hast mich da auf eine Idee gebracht. Mal gucken, ob ich das hinkriege. When bla 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 ist klickt. If if hops equals 50. No, I need an extra variable. Equals The hell, I completely forgot what the other thing was that I had. Wait. Oh, come on, I made it work not too long ago. How did I fuck that up again? Forever, and then if, then I need events, I need my clicked thing. Operators, I need the times thing, I need the equal thing, and I need hops. If hops equals x. Yeah, that's the thing that annoyed me. X times 50. Then broadcast hyper jump. Jump. No. I thought that was the issue for a second, but it wasn't. Of course. Of course it wasn't. Got a lot of nerve. When I receive hyper jump. Set y to this. Set x to this. And obviously show if I not broadcast hyper jump. I need to receive hyper jump. Receive hyper jump. Change y by platform movement and height. Let's see. None of these are connected at the moment. That is okay. I don't think I need the super jump position thing at all, to be fair. Still doesn't work. Why? Why? Hmm. (50 × X). Let's do it the other way around. Let's make a different variable. I think that would work. Hyper jump counter. Okay, hyper jump counter. That. No, it's that one. If hyper jump counter equals 50. Good. Now, what again is the thing to add 2 hops? Change hyper jump counter by 1. Okay, if hyper jump counter equals 50, broadcast hyper jump and set hyper jump counter to 0. Okay, let's test it out. Let's. Oh yeah, I need to set hyper jump counter to 50 as well. Do I? Yeah, set hyper jump counter to 45. Counter is that one. That makes more sense. Huh? Why is nothing happening? Like, at all? What? Why is nothing working? Hyper jumped and oh, of course nothing changes. Why would that change? Why would there ban any kind of way any fucking change? Of course there isn't. Fuck you. I really have no other choice but to do this normally. No. So if hyper jump counter is bigger than 50, sure. You have to do the forever thing, do I? Okay, that works for some reason. So have jump counter to 0. Yeah, I can do it here. Set hyper jump counter to 0. Good.
Hi.
Hello, Jackson. How are you doing? When I start, okay, let's just do it that way because otherwise I apparently
doing
don't
well.
understand. Uh, mm, there's a clone jump boost. Change. If touching jump boost. Okay, good. Good to know what you're doing well, by the way. I hope you eat food. Good. I'm currently trying to do some bug fixing. I know, I'm hilarious. I think I should use an if-else counter here, but I'm just gonna do this thing here and do else hide. So under any other circumstance, you're now gonna lose your shit. Why is that not working? Installed as a clone. If hyperten show change Y by platform movement. I think I don't need to hide you anymore anyways, do I? If you are at 50, I think it would be legitimate if you just have a thing in general, wouldn't it? I think it would. Why is none of this working the way I want to? If hyperjump count is 50 or higher, show and change your Y position by platform movement. Wait, let's just say for now. Why does that just not make any sense? Why do I always have to put fucking forever on everything? It doesn't even make any sense that I have to use them forever for everything, because there is a very, very clear... there's a very, very clear situation that you have to trigger, and when you don't trigger in this situation, why? But hey, at least my other failsafe worked. The fact that you're completely frozen where you are is incredibly annoying. And I don't even know how to change that. Okay, now you finally show up as that, but you don't move. Huh? Why don't you move? Like, here, this is literally the same fucking thing that what we do here. If my go to 180. How can that be? Need the motion thing, do I? Yeah, I do. Need that one. Set Y to this. For some reason you're always breaking when I'm trying to do anything fun with you. Yeah. That's the issue. That's such a dumb issue. And yet it still didn't change anything. Hmm. As soon as I get rid of it forever, it destroys everything. And that is so annoying. Fuck's sake. Now that I finally have a thing done where you're supposed to be, prick. You're not doing anything right. Like, why?
Holy sheet scratch, been long time I didn't see people use this.
Hello, medieval jester. How are you doing? Well, my roommate recommended me Scratch if I want to learn a little bit of game development and programming. So I decided to do that and work every Monday on what I have currently going on my current project. But this dumb thing is constantly breaking in a way that doesn't have anything to do with anything that I can change. Like, what the hell is your issue? Why don't you just, I don't know, get...
Last time I used this to build app and my professor called my project bullshit.
Yeah, I know that's also how my roommate knows about it. His professor, well, in Germany you wouldn't say professor, you would say teacher.
I not kind of rough, it was during COVID.
No, but he also said that his teacher used it to teach them a little bit about programming and so on.
Gave me PTSD, aha.
Yeah, I'm trying to go from Scratch to something more complex later on, but Scratch is really good for starters. And currently I'm trying to work out why my thing breaks regularly. Like, why aren't you moving? Like, what is wrong with you? Why is this dumbass still here? You're not supposed to be there, you know that, right? So, and here you're always supposed to change Y by platform movement. Why aren't you doing this? Like, it's so dumb as hell. Why are you not changing once you are triggered? Doesn't make any sense. Oh, good. I have a good idea. I have a good idea. In this case, I'm gonna do a when clicked, and then I'm gonna do a if thing. No, I'm making a when I start as a clone. When I start as a clone. Control. When I start as a clone. If touching grasshopper. Oh, I need two ifs. Ah, fuck. Because one of them is if touching grasshopper, and the other one is if platform movement is 0. Can you not show? Yes. Yes. Looks and hide. This is my cannon. Okay. Seems like I have to make this a forever thing as well, which is really annoying. But yeah. Okay. Let's test it out. I just have to jump on top of it once. Hide. And stop other scripts and sprite. Or hide until. Can I do that? I can do that, right? I can repeat until. Duplicate. Okay. Okay, this time please don't be that stupid. Oh. No. Oh wait, I have to change your values a little bit. Let's do 75. And you also 75. Good. Try that out. Okay, now you're vanished. I technically just need to get to the... Aha, okay. It can still be fecked with, so I'm gonna do a 50 to 50. Why is the thing not working? Yeah, that doesn't look good. It doesn't look healthy. Nice, nice, nice. Jump, jump. Yeah, and suddenly you don't work at all anymore. Like, huh? Like, this shouldn't have changed anything in your approach of, you know, trying to murder me. Hide. Good. Good, good, good. Okay, now you're hidden. Good. This is so much more clean. Hey, it reappeared. It reappeared. I'm gonna have to add another if here. If Y position is greater than, come on, hit the motion thing, the motion thing. Good. If Y position is greater than 175. If not touching leaf. And if touching leaf, duplicate leaf, forced descent. Let's see if I can trigger that. Yeah, sometimes you want to work and sometimes you don't. Come on. Okay, it doesn't change. Doesn't change. Change y by 10. Hmm. It doesn't work. By minus 10 is what I should have said. Yes. Good. Let's try that out again. Come on, try to get stuck.
GERVtuber.
Good night, Ossian. Hope you still had a bit of fun. Yay. Hmm. Hey. Good. Yes. Come on. First thing I'm doing is dying. Hmm. No. Minus 200? Would that even... What the hell? No. No. So I realized you don't do the thing that I want you to. But you know what? You don't have to. I'm just gonna make this its own thing. And then we're gonna add forever pet tag to it. Do it 100 and you. I should do something with you, but so far I hope that things that I did work so far. So I'm gonna get rid of your 50 value, and I'm gonna get rid of your 50 value. I'm gonna say this is it for today, and yeah. See project page. Press space to restart, and X if you get stuck. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. See inside. A doodle jump clone I made. A doodle jump clone I attempted with minor animations. Let me know what you think. Good. Also, I don't need the hyper jump counter visible. That would be a little bit sad. That would be visible. Add movement also should be invisible. Good. Hey, it worked. Good. Okay, let's get the hyper jump counter up legitimately. Oh, come on. Yay. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Okay. I also need to do this. Right, no, duplicate. Good. Good. If touching porn, change Y by 10. I had that now way too often that the hyper gem was layered on top of the thorns. So let's do that. Good. Good. Hyperjump works normally. Ah. Okay, change Y by wait, no, if at touching, they should do. They shouldn't change by. Or just change Y by 50. I don't give a damn. So, no. So let's get to the first hyper jump. Or jump boost. I gave it thing like three names now. Come on. Yeah. When I check if everything works right. Nice. Whoa. Oh, come on. Change Y by 40. Good platform movement. How fast is platform movement in a normal cycle? under normal circumstances. Good. Anyways, I'm gonna save that now. I'm gonna say this is it for today. I hope you had fun. Well, I didn't have fun. I'm very glad that my failsafe did work to a certain degree. I think I have to fix my failsafe a little bit. But hey, if it works, works. Anyways. See you next time. Nice.